Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add the campground to your wishlist, how to save it for later on the Dirt application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, you should tap on the search button to search for campgrounds either on the map or either on your at your home page. When you have found the campground that you would like to add to your wish list and save for later, all you have to do is tapping on this heart icon that you can find here below the download campground button. So tap on it, click on my saved places, or you can also create a new list and tap on the lists button down below, which is the fourth option, and here you can see all of the saved places. If you would like to get rid of it, just tap on the heart icon and it will disappear from this section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.